New Year is coming. Yuanbao are falling. The pork dumplings from Jack and King's are now launched nationwide. Selected fresh pork paired with seasonal vegetables, then turned into fillings, providing for flavors, chives, corn, cabbage, and scallion. Thin dough encases tender, juicy fillings for a delicious taste. Lovely Yuanbao appearance, which symbolizes family reunion, prosperity and wealth, as well as happiness and good fortune. The cooking of dumplings is traditional and convenient. Put frozen dumplings into boiling water for 2 minutes. Then add half a cup of cold water and wait for boiling. Repeat again until dumplings float up and you can start eating. Also support fried or hot pot. All in all, no matter breakfast, dinner, or buffets, fast food. These versatile pork dumplings satisfy your tongue and taste buds anytime, anywhere. Come and give them a try. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.